Hey guys, I'm Audrey with Elevate, and if you love creativity and ideas, or you're just looking for a fun way to get the creativity flowing for yourself and your team, then you're in the right spot. In this video, we're going to teach you how to play a really fun and simple improv game to help you do just that. Now be sure to stay tuned till the end because we've got a free resource for you that'll help you take your creativity to the next level, especially if you're leading a group brainstorm or a new fresh project. All right, so don't be scared by the word improv. This improv game is meant for beginners, and really the focus is on getting that creativity flowing. It's not on how well you improv or act. So it's called String of Pearls, and it's really simple. What you do is you'll divide the room into two different groups, and you'll have a line of people, and you'll say to the first person at the line, hey, think of the beginning sentence to a story. Then you'll jump all the way to the last person in the line, and you'll say, hey, now you're gonna give the very last sentence of the story. Then you'll go back to that first person, they'll say their first sentence of the story, and then one by one, every person in the line adds one sentence to the story with the goal of getting to the very last sentence that the last person already shared. Now, if you have a smaller group, you can always just have one line and have everyone on the same team. If you do have a larger group though, to save time, you might want to break it up into two, maybe even 3 different groups. So the whole point of this is to really get people to say yes and to the person who said something before them, get that creativity flowing, get the ideas flowing, and this is a really great game that you can play that starts off any brainstorming project to help the ideas start flowing, or if you have a group of writers or storytellers who are about to start a brand new project, this is a really fun, easy, and simple way to, again, get the creative juices flowing, get people thinking outside the box, collaborating with each other. It's really meant to set up that creative environment. So I hope you enjoy leading this game with your team. Be sure to download the free resource that I mentioned earlier. We have a way for you to take creativity to the next level, some fun tips for you if you're leading a brainstorming session. So be sure to download that in the link below. And also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below if you test out this game with your group and how it worked for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy leading improv String of Pearls.